Hey, what's up, brothers? It's Fonte here, and as you can see, I have here the new Redmi Buds 3. But before we started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already for more content like this. Thank you so much. And now, let's go. Packaging-wise, Redmi went with a really simple design. I do fancy the iridescent finish they went with for the Buds 3 branding. But aside from that, there's really isn't much to talk about here. There's also an image of the earbuds itself under the big label, so you know what you are getting in the box. So let's unbox this very nice Redmi Buds 3. So inside you have the absolute basics, two pieces of documentation and a USB-C charging cable are all you get with the Redmi Buds 3, as the Redmi Buds 3 is an AirPod style that doesn't need to be jammed into your ear canals. You don't get any replacement tips in the box. Wow, what a beauty you are. So the charging case here is a smooth pebble-like design that you can easily pass off as a product from the Fruity company at first glance. Thankfully, the back doesn't have the same chrome bar, as this glossy plastic finish is used all around. There is also a single button here that handles pairing and disconnection. The button is right here, brothers. I think you can see it. This is the pairing and disconnection button. And yes, the Redmi Buds 3 are IP54 dust and water resistant, and there's dual microphone noise cancellation for calls. Woo! Good job, Xiaomi. Look at this Redmi Buds 3. Wow. We have some plastic here, of course, and plastic here. Very nice glossy finish. Redmi Buds 3. So, Redmi claimed 5 hours of use, and with the charging case you can get extra long 20-hour battery life. Inside we have Qualcomm chipset, 12mm dynamic driver, and newest Bluetooth technology for consistent sound transmission. The gray thing is also MIUI pop-up for quick pairing. Simply open the cover to pair. I will show you. So I will show you the pairing. Tap this button and we can connect the earphones to this beautiful 11 Lite 5G new edition. As you can see, I have here all the info I need. So the case is 67% charged, and we have enough power in the earphones. So this was very nice and elegant MIUI pop-up for quick pairing. I'm done, and we can listen to the music. So brothers, this was quick unboxing, first look and pairing with the Xiaomi Redmi 3 earphones. Very cheap, but still nice. Can you hear it? Don't expect the high quality here, but it is what it is. So brothers, I do hope you ended up enjoying the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, share the video, and as always, stay safe with the mask. Peace out and stay Fonte, bros.